Good morning, everyone. This is our first day in Malaysia. Ayan guys, ayun yung Twin Tower. Ayan guys, ang Twin Tower. This is our first day here in Malaysia po. Ayan, it's so nice to be here po. The food is really good. And day one, we ate nasi lemak in the city. So ayan, maybe we go there near the Twin Tower this morning. Ayan. And then ayan yung sa baba ng hotel. Oh, tingnan nyo guys, parang meron siyang ano, lake. I don't know what's this, lake or canal. Ayan, I don't know. That one, you know, it's very big. So beautiful naman. Yan. May mountains din, oh. May mga mountains. So, ayan po. Thank you for watching, everyone. Day 1 in Malaysia. Okay, guys. Twin Tower.